Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create an architectural concept on StarryAI. Let's unlock the secrets of creating stunning architectural concepts. So let us begin. First, take a step onto StarryAI.com. Log in if you are not already logged in. Now, it's time to breathe life into your imagination. Imagine and type your architectural concept. For instance, a modern urban oasis with sleek skyscrapers and lush greenery. The magic is about to unfold. Click on Generate and watch as StarryAI works its charm, turning your concept into a mesmerizing masterpiece. And there you have it, a unique artwork that brings your architectural vision to life. Remember, the creative possibilities are limitless. That's a wrap on unleashing architectural marvels with StarryAI. Embrace the creative journey and turn your concepts into breathtaking reality. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.